Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, simply press and hold the light button right here and keep holding it until the watch turns off. So press and hold it, keep holding it. If you see this on the screen, keep holding the button and wait until the screen turns off. Okay, after the screen turns off, wait for a second more or two, then release the button, and at this point the watch should be turned off. Okay, after the watch turns off, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again. And once you see the Enduro logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.